Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Greetings from brillicaservices. Today I will teach you how to change the screen content in Photoshop with some easy steps. So without wasting time, let's start. So I have one phone screen image and I have one wallpaper also. So let's go to mobile screen. Firstly, we'll select. Okay, I'm making one rectangle according to my screen. Just reduce the opacity. Now the adjustment. Now let's give some curves. Now again select path tool. Just give some curves more. And I think so. This is fine. Okay. Now firstly just make rectangle to smart object. Now just click on layer mask and just making select the path. Now press Ctrl plus Enter. Remove it. So press delete from your keyboard and make sure your layer mask is selected and your swatch color is foreground color is white and background color is black. Make sure to delete anything from your layer mask. Now it's fine. Now we can check our screens. Oh, it's fine now, and we don't need any more adjustment in it. So just click on the smart object icon. So double click on it and you have opened a new tab of your PSB file of your smart object. So firstly I just increase the opacity and press Ctrl plus S and you will see whatever you have changes in it. Your changes are shown here. So let's go again on the PSB file and drag the wallpaper into the PSB file and give some adjustment. So press enter, press Control D. Now I think so. This is fine. And click on the layer and just right click and go to create clipping mask. It's done now. Firstly, check about your stroke. So we don't need stroke here. So I'm just removing the stroke. Now press Ctrl S from my keyboard and your screen will be changed and see how much is looking beautiful and you can change this in type of things in any type of device with the help of these steps. So that's it for the video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.